Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tackleknowledgechannel. So from today onwards I am providing you the notes. So this notes is for Csir-Net Lifesciences. Okay, so first of all we will be seeing about the biochemistry. Okay, in biochemistry the first unit, molecules and their interactions relevant to biology. So this is the first unit which we are seeing in biochemistry. Okay, so first topic is structure of atoms, molecules and chemical bonds. Bullet points. Atoms are the smallest entities with which we often come across. The atoms contain protons, neutrons, electrons and many more subatomic particles. Molecules are the aggregates of the atoms. Their aggregation calls for a bonding chemical bonds. There are many types of bonds, namely covalent, electrostatic, coordinate, ionic van der Waals forces, etc. So first we will be seeing about the structure of the atom. Okay, the atom is a basic unit of matter that consists of a dense central nucleus surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged ions. The atomic nucleus contains a mix of positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons, except for hydrogen 1, which is the only stable nucleoid with no neutrons. The electrons of an atom are bound to the nucleus by the electromagnetic force. Likewise, a group of atoms can remain bound to each other by chemical bonds based on the same force, forming a molecule. An atom contains an equal number of protons and electrons, is electrically neutral. Otherwise, it is positively or negatively charged and is known as an ion. An atom is classified according to the number of protons and neutrons in its nucleus. The number of protons determines the chemical element and the number of neutrons determines the isotope of the element. Chemical atoms which in science carry the simple name of atom are minuscule objects with diameters of a few tenths of a nanometer and tiny masses proportional to the volume implied by these dimensions. Atoms can only be observed individually using special instruments such as the scanning tunneling microscope. Over 99.94% of an atom mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Protons and neutrons having roughly equal mass. Each element has at least one isotope with an unstable nucleus that can undergo radioactive decay. This can result in a transmutation that changes the number of protons or neutrons in a nucleus. Electrons that are bound to the atoms possesses a set of stable energy levels or orbitals and can undergo transitions between them by absorbing or emitting photons that match the energy difference between the levels. The electrons determine the chemical properties of an element and strongly influences an atom's magnetic properties. The principle of quantum mechanics have been successfully used to model the observed properties of the atom. So now let's see the table of the charge and mass of a subatomic particles. Name, symbol, charge, mass AMU, mass grams, location. So the proton symbol is P+, charge 1+. So mass AMU is 1.007 and mass in grams 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24. So the proton is present in the nucleus. Okay, so atom is having a nucleus. So in the nucleus the proton is present. Okay, neutrons N0 symbol, charge is 0, mass AMU 1.009 and mass in grams 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 24. So this is also present in the nucleus. Electron E minus, charge is 1 minus, mass AMU 5.486 into 10 to the power minus 4 and mass in grams 9.109 into 10 to the power minus 28 and electron is present outside the nucleus. Okay. In the above table, we have used a unit of mass called the atomic mass unit AMU. This unit is much more convenient to use than grams for describing masses of atoms. It is defined so that both protons and neutrons have a mass of approximately 1 AMU. Its precise definition will be given later. The important points to keep in mind are as follows. Protons and neutrons have almost the same mass, while the electron is approximately 2000 times lighter. Proton and electrons carry charges of equal magnitude but opposite charge. Neutrons carry no charge, they are neutral. It was once thought that neutrons and electrons were spread out in a rather uniform fashion to form the atom. J.J. Thomson plum pudding model of the atom, but now we know the actual structure of the atom to be quite different. So that's all for today's class, friends. In the next class I will be providing the continuation of the biochemistry notes. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please kindly like, share and subscribe it with your friends also, so that this video will be helpful for them also along with you. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching, bye bye, and please subscribe to my channel, Tackle Knowledge channel. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, bye bye.